You don't know how vulnerable you are to music. You don't know. You don't know.
Everybody has a phone. All of us listening to something on our phones. Everybody watches something. Please, in this season, regulate what you watch. Make sure it is what nourishes your heart. Something that keeps you interacting with God.
If we check your phone, check your ringtone, check the thing that forms your civilization, the pictures in your phone, you will know if you are free or not. Many people have asked me, what do we need to do to begin to hear the voice of God? Hearing the voice of God is very easy because he's the Father of all spirits. But it might be difficult for you if your soul is hooked up to a fountain that is polluting your universe.
Someone was, he put an earpiece and was busy with the earpiece for hours. And I know the person is born again. So when we landed where we landed, I went close to him to find out what the person was. He was listening to secular music. How does he want to live a holy life? His soul is becoming used to what is not godly. Meanwhile, the Bible says we should exercise ourselves unto godliness. He said, you have the potential to be godly, but it's through exercise that it becomes part and parcel of your existence. Don't joke with sound. If some people are to be initiated into orders of witchcraft allegiance, they sound. Sound that brings demons from the graveyard, the spirits of necromancy. The sound that brings demons from the forest, demons from the mountaintops, demons from the rivers, the seas, and the ocean. Sound. The spiritual man doesn't joke with sound because he knows the devil can make sound. Fallen angels make sound, and it's fallen angels that back up most of these secular musicians that most of them, their wordings don't make sense. They sound, even the rhythm is not, but it's not logical. Why there is such patronage?
Listen to me. Some of you come and say, Buga, what is wrong with you? Bugo. You don't know where it is born. Some people say what is important is the lyrics. No, it is a demon that gave birth to those lyrics. It can only lead back to the spirit that gave birth to it. Listen to me. I know you don't know. When you sing a song, it will lead you back to who originated. Is it not true?